Welcome back to the continuation of our series on fraction. And in this moment, we want to discuss multiplication and division of fraction. That some of us don't understand that multiplication and division are reciprocal of each other. What do I mean? That multiplication and division, they are reciprocal to each other. Before we go into solving of this example, I'd like you to understand that each time you are dividing a number by a number, you also understand that that number is being multiplied by the reciprocal of the divisor. Let's look at this illustration. That 6 divided by 2 is the same thing as 6 multiplied by 1 all over 2, which is 3. In this case, 6 divided by 2 is the same thing as 6 multiplied by the reciprocal of these two, which is 1 all over 2. And the result is 3. Showing that each time that you are dividing a number with a number, you are equally multiplying that number by the reciprocal or the divisor. Now, with this explanation, let's consider the example given to us. Example number 1. It says 3 all over 4 multiplied by 1 all over 2 multiplied by 8 all over 9. So, solution. How do you start? You start by multiplying the numerator and also multiply the denominator. The numerator here are 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8 all over the numerator here now is 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9. So at this juncture, you look for the cancellation. Here, 4 can cancel 8, or 8 divided by 4 will give us 2. And again, 3 here can cancel to give us 1, and 3 here, 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. Equally, 2 divided by 2 will give us 1, and 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. So on the numerator now, what remains is 1 times 1 is 1, and on the denominator what remains is 1 times 1 times 3, which is 3. So our result becomes 1 all over 3. Okay, coming to the second example, you have that 3 all over 8 of 2 over 6 of 3 over 4. You know, in fraction, each time you see of, it's the same thing as multiplication. So we can write this as 3 all over 8 multiplied by 2 all over 6 multiplied by 3 all over 4. So this will give us, multiplying the numerator, have 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 all over 8 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4. You can do the cancellation here, but for clarity's sake, let's multiply the numerator first and the denominator. So in this case, I look for the cancellation. So 2 cancel 2, 2 divided by 2 give us 1, 2 divided by 4, you have 2 here, 3 divided by 3, 1, 3 divided by 6, you have 2 here, And what we now left on the numerators now becomes 3. Then on the numerator, what is remain there is, this is 8 times 2, 16, times 2, 32. That is 3 all over 32. The solution of our second answer. Now, coming to this, the third example, it says 2 all over 3 multiplied by 1 whole number and 4 all over 5. So in this case, this mixed number, you need to change it to improper fraction. Remember, this is not addition anymore, which you can evaluate direct without changing to the improper fraction with the means of adding or subtracting the whole numbers. But this time around is a multiplication. So the only remedy is we convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So we go by 2 all over 3 multiplied by, how do we convert? The denominator here, that is the 5, multiplied by the 1, give us 5, plus the numerator, which is 4, will give us 9. This is 9 all over the denominator, which is the what? 5. Now, this, to simplify it further, it becomes 2 times 9 all over 3 times 5. We check for the cancellation. 3 here will give us 1, 3 here will give us 3. Now 2 times 3 will give us 6, divided by 1 times 5 will give us 5. So looking at it, you notice that this is improper fraction. So we need to convert it back to a proper fraction. Now say 6 divided by 5 will give us 1 whole number. What is remaining? 1 divided by 5. So this is the solution of our third example. Now we go to the example number 4. Example number 4 says 2 whole number 4 over 5 divided by 5. So what do we do? First of all, convert this thing back from mixed number to improper fraction, which is 5 times 2 will give us 10. 10 plus 4 give us 14. Count 14 all over 5 divided by 5. Now remember what I said initially, that each time that you are dividing a number with another number, it means multiplying by the dividend or the divisor of that number. Sorry, the divisor. So now this becomes that 14 all over 5 multiplied by 1 all over 5. So the reciprocal of 5 is 5 all over 5. Remember that 5, the same thing as 5 all over 1. Then the reciprocal of it becomes 1 all over 5. So checking for the cancellation here, no common cancellation. So you proceed by multiplying the numerator, becomes 14 times 1 give us 14. Then divide by the denominator here, becomes 5 times 5 give us 25. So our solution becomes 14 all over 25. Then in example 5, we have 5 whole number 5 all over 6 divided by 7 whole as divided by 7 over 8 divided by 1 all over 6. In like manner, we convert this one to improper fraction, which is 5 times 6 times 5 give us 30. 30 plus 5 will give us 35 all over 6. Then divided by, then 7 over 8 divided by 1 all over 6. At this juncture, then you multiply by the reciprocal of it, 35 all over 6 multiplied by 8 all over 7 multiplied by 6 all over 1 or 6. So as you can see, the 6 divided here give us 1, 6 divided here give us 1, 7 divided here give us 1, 7 divided here it give us 5. So on the numerator side you have 5 times 8, which is 40, then divided by 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. So answer becomes 40. That's the solution of example 5. Then the last example is 5 divided by one whole number 3 over 5. As usual, becomes 5 divided by, you convert this one to improper fraction. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 3, 8 all over 5. So this implies that 5 all over 1 multiplied by 5 all over 8, as you're multiplying by the reciprocal of the divisor. So implies that on the numerator we have 5 times 5 is 25. Then on the denominator we have 1 times 8 is what? 8. Now if we divide it back, we have that 25 divided by 8, we have 3 whole number. What is remaining? 3 whole number 1 all over 8. So this is the solution of our last example. So friends, before I go, I'd like you to do this assignment. So this is our assignment to be submitted before the next video. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.